Welcome back to your Bravo training. Today, I'll walk you through how to perform a jewelry pawn or buy transaction in Bravo. Let's get started. From Bravo's dashboard, head to the Jewelry Estimator. You're going to start by selecting the item's precious metal type. Next, enter the weight of the piece, identify the gold purity, and then the color. To categorize the item, you can click on the options below or simply start typing what it is. For diamonds and stones, you can use the estimator to help input the details, or you can skip this step altogether. You can add more item details here, like the length or size of the piece, and its location if you know where it will go. Otherwise, the items can be located after the transaction is completed and tracked by a track list button on the dashboard. You can also add images by right-clicking within the black square on the Image tab, and either pasting an image from the clipboard or taking a photo with your webcam. You can continue without a photo if you prefer. We're going to leave it blank. Since we're not using the estimator, we're going to head to the Freeform tab to create our description. Clicking the Auto Generate button will create a description based on the information you've already provided. You can easily add to the description or create your own entirely. You can use the recommended amount or enter the negotiated amount. Now let's select the transaction type and click Next. Let's bring in our customer, where we can easily access powerful insights by checking their loyalty report. If required, select the appropriate response to complete the MLA check and then select Next. We're going to finish the transaction by paying out our customer. The ticket, the item tag, and any supporting documents will print. That's it. If you have any questions, Judy is one click away, or you can give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.